Hello, in the last video we learned about the JSX. So in today's video we'll be going to learn about the props. So how props will work in your app, what is the use of props. So let me take what we'll do is I'll be taking that greet component which I already have, but inside this the name hello name will be not dynamic, like it will be hello name, right? It is not taking any dynamic names. So we will pass the dynamic name into that. The name should be rendered dynamically. So I'll pass an attribute name with the name as Alice. Okay, now I have to render this inside this, right? So what I'll do is I will go for my greetings. I want to take a parameter props from the app. This parameter I have to do something like, see, okay, in console we can see that the props are coming. We can see that, and inside the object, inside name, the parameter is the object name is there. We will change the name into dynamic name, like, okay, I'll display the props once in the console. In console, okay, let me show you. See, there are two objects. Inside that I can see, okay, wait, there is some issue. I made some mistake. Wait a minute. Okay, I got it. I'll do something. Okay, I saved this. I had not saved that file, so it was not working. Okay, now if I go and check inspect, inside my console I have an object, inside that name Alice. This props contains an attribute called name. Inside name there is Alice. Now what I'll do is I'll change this hello name into dynamic name, props.name. Will it work? Let's see. It only gave props.name, which was taking just as a text. Now what I'll do is I'll enclose this with the curly braces. Now if I run the program, I will get something like hello Alice dynamically from the app. Now I want to add some more details. Wait, I'll show. I will add 3 names. I will change the name to John. I'll change the name to Annie. Now if I save the file and see, I got 3 different names. I can reuse the component again and again. Okay, I will add now one more parameter to it. I will add age. Okay, 19. Okay, I guess it's not taking. Okay, let me show you in a string format itself for now. If I take as string 19, okay, I'll also add for this age as 20. Again for Annie I will add the age as, okay, I think I did not close. Okay, Annie age as 21. Now I am going back. Did it change anything? No, right? Because we did not pass in the greetings. In greetings we will be adding age inside the curly braces. Okay, I'll add your age is curly braces props.age. Okay, I get small one, his small age. Okay, now if I save this, I will be getting hello Alice, your age is 19. Inside console I will be having, okay, I did not save, I guess. Okay, here it is, age 21 and name Annie, the 2 different attributes. Now this was for functions, arrow functions. Now if I want to add a child class inside the what we say, there is nothing between the sentences, right? If I want to add something new, I can remove that. I can add a I can remove the self closing and add one h2 tag inside that. I will pass something like I am a child. But will it change anything? For now it did not change, because we have to pass the child inside the greetings. Props dot children. These are inbuilt. Now if I run, yes, I am a child, it's coming. Now in app I'll add one more. For this also I'll change. I will add something. I'll add a button. Inside I'll give action button. Now if I save and run the file, I got action button between that. Okay, this was for the function, like adding props to the function. Now what about the class? We had already done a welcome class which extends a component. Now what we'll do is, instead of as we pass the prop to the function, same way we'll pass the function to the class. I will bring back the welcome. For now I'll self close it. Inside this I'll copy this thrice. Okay, wait, what do we? Okay, I think I forgot the code bases. Okay, I copied that twice. I will pass the same parameters for now. I'll copy the parameters. I'll paste it. Okay, now inside welcome I have to do something like, it's not taking any parameter within the render, but instead of that we should write something like this. The use of this function comes in class. Inside the parenthesis we should use this dot props dot and the attribute name. Now it will display something like welcome from Alice, welcome from John. Now I'll add the another parameter age. My age is this dot props dot age. So we learnt about, let's summarize, we learnt the use of props in functions, arrow functions, and also in the class. Thank you. Be ready for the next.